What'd I get us into, babe?
Hey everyone! If you've been watching for a while, you might remember back in October we did some damage to our Campinawe. If you're new here, we bought our Campinawe sport trailer in September of 2022 and put over 6,000 miles on it in the first year we had it. Before the Campinawe, we traveled with a rooftop tent, but the Campinawe was so convenient, we ended up getting out even more. Then in October of 2023, we headed down to Kentucky for a week. Kentucky is beautiful in October, and we had a great time exploring right up until the very last day. On that last day, we decided to explore just a little section of the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway in the Red River Gorge area. We didn't realize what we were in for. We thought it would be an easy, relatively quick little trail, but we were told later, Kentucky easy isn't easy. I don't know. Just go slow.
Alright, diff lock on.
Careful. Yes. It was so stressful, I forgot I was supposed to be filming. Slow. The Campinawe is gonna drop. So go really slow. Okay. Way as you can. Very slowly, because the camper, and then cut back straight. Oh, jeez. Go. If you missed that video and would like to go back and see how we did the damage, we'll link that video in the description and pin it in a comment. This is what the damage looked like the next morning as we were preparing to head home, and a few days later after we'd made it home and had really had time to look it over. There wasn't any structural damage, just a bent fender and then damage to those back corners. So our question was, of course, can this be fixed? The fender was a bolt-on, so we weren't too worried about that. We knew that it could be changed. Those corners were going to be a little bit trickier, though. We reached out to the folks at Campinawe to bounce some ideas off of them, and they asked if we would like to bring it in, that they would be happy to take a look at it and see if they could come up with a solution. So, of course, we said yes. And just a few weeks ago, Sean Elsner, the president of Campinawe, met us halfway between our home in Indiana and Kansas City, where Campinawe is headquartered, to hand off our Campinawe to them. We weren't expecting it to be like brand new when we got it back, but we knew that they had the knowledge and the ability to fix it way better than we would be able to. So last weekend, we made the drive out to Kansas City to pick up our newly repaired Campinawe. So we met Sean at Croft Trailer Sales in Olathe, Kansas, which is where Campinawe has a showroom. While our Campinawe was there, Croft repacked our wheel bearings also. At this point, our Campinawe had over 9,000 miles on it, so it was about time. Sean explained that they tried a couple different options to repair the corners and then settled on these aluminum plates as the best looking and most solid way to repair
this
them.
place, and you can get whatever length you want, whatever thickness, they'll just shear to length.
We think they look great and they are solid. So now that our Campinawe is looking great again, what's the first thing we're gonna do? Get it dirty, of course. We left Croft and started on a week-long, over 1,600-mile overlanding trip. We'll be bringing you along for that adventure in the next video. Here are a few more pictures of the repairs after we got the Campinawe all dirty again. I'm wondering how many people would even realize it had been repaired if they hadn't seen it before. We'd love to hear what you think. The whole crew at Campinawe and Croft Trailer are awesome. We are thankful to all of them and to all of you for watching. Thank you so much, and please let us know if you have any questions.